Are you kidding me?
A thunderstorm was located near Fulda.
Not 3 of you get out of me. What in the...
Size hail. Source. Radar.
How did y'all get activate?
Hail damage to
How
vehicles
did
is
y'all
expected.
not even
Expect
activate?
wind damage to roofs,
What is that?
siding, and trees.
What in the even what is
This
that?
city with thunderstorm will be near Fulda around 7:20 p.m.
Oh.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties in Minnesota, Nobles and Murray.
Please stop! Please!
At 7 p.m., a thunderstorm was reported in Sioux Falls.
What the
The
heck?
temperature was 78 and the dew point 59. The relative humidity was 51%.
What the... Hey, come on! Wake up! Come on! God. Just one normal day, you WR120. You scared the crap out of me.